sender. Return to sender. I gave a letter to the postman. He put it in his sack. But in the early next morning, he brought my letter back.
She wrote upon it.
Return to sender. Address unknown. And no such number. And no such phone. We had a quarrel. Our love was flat. I'll write I'm sorry, but my letters keep coming back. So when I drop it in the mailbox, it's an especially. But in the early next morning, it came right back to me.
She wrote upon it.
Return to sender. Address unknown. And no such person. And no such phone. And this time I'm gonna take it myself and put it right in her hand. And if he comes back the very next day, then I understand. Return to sender. Address unknown. No such number. No such phone. Return to sender. Return to sender. Return to sender. Return to sender.